Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create pay schedules in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic, so let's just get straight into it. Now, the first step is to go to payroll settings. From your QuickBooks dashboard, click on the payroll settings or payroll in the left-hand menu. Next is to select pay schedules. So under the payroll option, you want to find and click on pay schedules. Next is to add new schedule. So you can click add a new pay schedule and then choose how often you want to pay employees, whether it's weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, or monthly. Next step is to assign employees. So select the employees who will follow this schedule. You can have multiple pay schedules for, of course, different groups. And the fifth step is to set start date and first pay date. So you want to enter the first paid period start date and of course the first payday. Step 6, the final step is to save the schedule. So click save and your schedule will now be available when running payroll. A pro tip is to use accurate pay schedules because this helps to ensure timely payroll processing and tax compliance. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough, at least to some extent. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.